In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back or undo a WordPress theme or plugin to a prior version in just 5 minutes. It's important to sometimes revert to an earlier version of your theme or plugin on WordPress, especially if you've encountered issues with a recent update. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the knowledge you need to do just that. First, let's head over to wordpress.com. This is your main gateway for accessing all your WordPress sites and related tools. If you're not already logged in, you'll arrive at the homepage, and from there you'll want to click on Log In. Now, if you have multiple ways to log in, look for the option to Continue with Google. This is a quick and secure way to access your WordPress account without needing to manage yet another password. Simply select your Google account from the list that appears. If it's your first time doing this, you might need to grant WordPress permission to access your Google account details, which is a standard security measure. Once you're logged in, you should be directed to your WordPress dashboard. On the right panel of the page, you'll see Quick Links. Under this section, click on Edit Site. This link will take you to an editor page where you can make changes to your website's appearance and functionality. When you arrive at your specific site editor, navigate to Styles, located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on Styles will allow you to access various customization options, but what we are especially interested in today is the Revisions tab. Go ahead and click on the Revisions tab. This is where all the magic happens. Within the Revisions tab, you'll see a list of save points. Each save point represents a previous version of your theme or plugin. This is specifically useful in scenarios where recent changes have created conflicts or bugs on your website. Take a moment to browse through these save points and find the one you wish to restore. You might choose the latest stable version you remember, or a specific save point from a certain date depending on your need. Once you've selected your desired save point, the next step is to click Apply. What this action does is it reverts your current theme or plugin setup to that specific save point. Take a moment to confirm your changes and ensure everything is functioning as expected. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to roll back or undo to a prior version of your WordPress theme or plugin. Regularly keeping tabs on your save points ensures you can smoothly revert if issues occur, providing you with peace of mind and maintaining your site's performance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials from us on optimizing your WordPress experience.